Hi, StitchingKitchn fans. I'm over here in San Antonio, Texas at the Mirabilia Minions retreat, and I'd like to introduce you to Miss Donnett, who's from embroidery.com. And if you haven't caught her group or her Facebook page, you really need to watch it, embroidery.com. How long have you been doing this?
Oh gosh, we've had the Facebook page for 3 or 4 years now. We just got the group page up about 1.5 years ago, but the Facebook page we've had for about 3 years. So yeah.
It's full of not only, she shows you how to use certain tools and product that enable you to stitch easier and faster and better, but she walks you around the group and introduces you to people and shows you all the things that they're stitching, which is really a wonderful thing to, I don't know, it kind of like excites me when I see other people stitching. How about you?
Yeah, oh, totally.
Yeah.
When I see other people's, works in progress, and I see the progress from one week to the next, it's very motivating.
It is.
We have a really cute little group of ladies that get together, and so it's fun. And they're just so talented, and they finish stuff so fast.
Oh.
It's ridiculous.
Not me. Okay, so at the same time, Miss Donnett's going to be kind enough, and you'll see on her Facebook page, she's going to carry some Brush Street Design Works, which is really, really fun.
I'm so excited.
And I am too. I never expected that out of this trip. So if you stay tuned to her Facebook page and group, and then you watch the StitchingKitchn on YouTube, and the kitchen doesn't have an E in it. You'll see our little interview.
Yep.
And if I lived closer, I'd be there at their stitch night, absolutely. So thank you very much for joining us, and pick this up.
Yep. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye. Oh, and the comedy relief is me getting up and out of my seat.